good with y'all, man? It's your boy Big Brad in this thing, man. Cruise, boy. We about to head to New Orleans. It's 5 in the morning right now. We are packing the car. You know what I'm saying? About to head out. 7-hour drive. Get everybody in the car waiting. There you go, Brandon. You're thirsty. I'm kind of tired, man. I slept for like a couple hours, but my brother driving, so I ain't gotta worry about doing that. All right, so Brianna, get in the car first.
No, they want the animals in first. Go, hurry.
They just said ashy people in the car first.
He needs some milk.
You ready to drive?
Yep. I got 3 Celsius.
The Celsius do magic, my boy. If you know, you know. It's Christmas.
Still meeting on Dorothy, or we too far behind schedule?
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah. You see?
Yeah.
It don't matter where we at, man. Y'all don't bust him out nowhere, man. Y'all looking like twigs, man. We real men around there, motherfucker. Y'all. Man, he on 50 push-ups right now. He ain't even phased. Y'all. We just quick break, you know what I'm saying, stretch. The car is mad packed, but yeah, I'm excited, man. I'm excited. I've never been to New Orleans. It's my first time being in New Orleans, so it's gonna be kind of cool. Yeah, there go my mama. Girl, stop hiding.
She just woke up.
She just did her hair though. It looked good. Get back on the road, so I'll talk to y'all in a little bit.
You need one more.
Oh yeah.
Y'all start talking.
Started singing.
Start talking to me.
What up?
Big back, big back, big back, big back. All right, y'all, we done made it to the hotel. We at the Hyatt. We done made it, so we about to go meet the fam. All right, here we go. Woo, crazy. 1948. Hey, I was a hello. Niggas just walked through. Oh, snap.
Oh my God.
Hey, grandma. Where's everybody? It's the fit. About to go get something to eat. You know what I'm saying? Something light. Got the Crocs. Eric Emanuel shorts. Adidas sweatshirt. I got a do-rag on, so I gotta keep the hoodie on, man. Yeah. Alright, y'all, man. We all checked in the room. We went to go eat real quick, but I didn't take the camera. I just wanted to see, you know, I should have took y'all. It's all good, bro. Yeah, bro, New Orleans is cool. New Orleans is nice. The food is very good. I just had some, like a Cajun penne pasta. Shit was busting. Shit, one thing, man, I'm excited for this whole trip, man. It's a family reunion. We're going on a cruise, if you didn't know. 7 days. We're going to Belize, 2 places in Mexico, and Honduras. I'm really excited for Belize because I've never been there. I've been to Honduras, been to Mexico. Excited to meet my family. I know y'all like, bro, what? Meet your family, nigga? You never met your family. Well, if you know what I'm saying, my grandfather. Bree, tell them about our grandfather.
Our grandpa had 23 children.
Yeah.
And all of those children have at least 5 children.
Yeah.
And we're the children
Yeah.
of those children.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of us.
A lot of cousins.
Big meet and greet coming.
Yeah, my grandfather was the original pimp, nigga. the OG. You know what I mean? I'm about to meet a lot of cousins that I have never met. Take y'all on the road and the journey. Let's get it. Yeah. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all, we done made it in the gym. Yo, this is nice. We got a nice little, you know what I'm saying, hydration station. Got the water with the lemon. What?
The pineapple.
And the pineapple.
Tell the lady what you want. I don't want pineapple.
Got the gym with the view. Yo, this is hard. What do you rate it? What's the gym? 1 to 10?
It's a very 9 out of 10. If
9
they
out
had
of
a
10.
Stairmaster, it'd be a 10.
Yeah, got towels. This is dope, man. Cold towels.
And headphones.
Headphones, like what? Fire. I'll be back. I'm about to change my clothes. Yeah. We'll be back, man. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do up in this thing. Give me a nice little pump. You know what I'm saying? The pump gotta be ready for the hose in the boat. No, I'm playing, you know what I mean? Oh, get the hell out, don't stop. They got the music in this motherfucker. Yeah. Footwork. Yeah. All right, y'all, we're gonna just do a little quick back and by workout. So we'll start with some pull-ups first. That'll be the first thing. Then we probably do some curls, and then we'll just go with the flow type shit. So I'm gonna lie, they got the jams going in here. This is my cousin Jared, you know what I'm saying?
What up, man? What
Jared
up, man?
Montour. Let the people know who you are, man.
Hey, man, so I'm Jared, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
I hope guys get jacked, get that mindset right. That's what we all here for, man.
Yes, sir. We excited for the trip. We about to have a ball. We about to have fun, man. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. That's the end of the workout. Real quick pump, you know what I'm saying? We about to go hit Bourbon Street real quick. We only got one night in New Orleans, so we gotta hit Bourbon, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's get it. This is where we ate earlier, right here. This place was busting.
Ain't even that cold.
Jacket.
Yeah, I'm saying, small people do not get cold.
Jacket. Man, what the? What?
I'm chilling, man.
This shit nice out here, though. You know what I'm saying? We on the strip with my cousins, you feel me? My brother, my cousin. It's a vibe. Alright, what we need to do?
I'm gonna get them their first grenade. They're in NOLA, they have to have a grenade.
A grenade? I don't know what a grenade is.
That's pretty good.
We about to see.
Big Mama got ya.
Thank you.
All right, let's go. What's in it?
Yeah, what's in it?
Hey, what's in it?
Come on.
Hey, why would
Grenade fire.
Nice.
Hey, that T-Pain go hit every time. That T-Pain never fails.
that look hard? That ball would be hard.
Yeah.
That's Bradley's head. That's twin.
Oh my God.
Oh shit.
Down here.
Alright, y'all, we done dropped the kids off. Yeah! Nigga, we turn up now.
We outside.
Yes. Hey! In the land of the snow. This is where the homies go. Yeah.
I better not find out your ass was swimming in the milk.
Y'all, she drunk. One take Jake, nigga. $12.
No, y'all, I had a Henny Mark and then I had a Long Island. So
$12, nigga.
Don't say that shit, man. What the fuck you mean?
Hey, come on. Play that shit back, brother. Play that shit back, man.
oh, that shit.
Nah. Why we was just turning out like that, bro? What the fuck?
Yeah, we
Nigga,
lit
what
up.
Why Why these niggas not lit like us, bro? I don't get it.
It's okay. Turn your ass up.
Come on, bro. Turn your ass up, man. Come on, bro.
Niggas don't dance no more, bro.
Niggas don't dance no more, bro. Niggas be mean mugging, bro. What the fuck? Mean mugging ass niggas. One thing about this shit, no sections. I love it.
No sections, no hookah in my face.
Yeah. Fuck sections. The grenades were so good, we had to come back.
You know how to show me a good time.
I'm telling you what I'm saying.
You always set me up. I always have a good time.
Gotta say niggas not.
I never had a bad time on my shit.
We be
Never
outside.
had a bad time.
We be like, go to it, like,
We serving your hand for $5.
We back at it, baby.
Back at it.
Some more.
Gonna go back, have a good fucking time again, man.
You already know what it is.
Yo, I never heard Brandon curse like that.
Right, what the fuck?
Well, y'all
Bro, we
just-
ran into my auntie and uncle, bro.
What's that?
Look at that.
I'm gonna come get some.
We lit too.
Small booties matter. Let's go.
Why you wanna fight with me at Cheesecake? You know I'm gonna go there. You wild and you super childish. You go and see me in the coat, testing my Bugatti. Hide it so you get fired and put on mileage. Then you find them all the side.
Bro, we turned the fuck up in that bitch.
All week.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie. We was the life of the party. Life of the party. When your energy good, what you get, bro?
You know, I'm putting out good energy, bro. That's all.
That's it, right? What you got?
My boy gave me a bead, man.
You got a bead. You know what I'm saying? When you put out good energy, you receive. That's all it is, bro. It's easy. It's a formula.
Yes, sir.
So we're giving out good energy.
Yes, sir. Shout out New Orleans, man.
And we receive, man. Shout out to New Orleans. I ain't gonna lie. I think I like New Orleans. I really do. Come here, it's like the shit is dirty. It don't look good until you walk in. Bro, that shit is too lit.
Facts.
The drinks is cheap. They hit. All you need is 2 drinks, maybe $12 to $16, and you're lit. I swear to God.
For sure.
Just that alone, like we was so lit. It got me super excited for the cruise. I'm trying not to have my expectations too high,
I don't have time for
but I ain't gonna lie, that was so fun, bro.
I hope you didn't drop it there.
That shit was so lit, bro. I'm gonna let the cruise do its thing, and I'm gonna just be open to it, you know what I'm saying? This is my first Norwegian cruise, but day one, bro, this is a great day one. Y'all cannot lie. If you was on vacation, you wanna be on vacation with us, nigga. Fuck you talking about? Nigga, you already know what the fuck going on. WooksNxtDoor, nigga, you already know what it is. Stop playing, man, stop playing. All right, man, day one, mission complete. I can say that at the least. Bro, we was so lit. My goal every time is to be the littest motherfuckers in the room. And I think we accomplished that. We had fun. That's it, bro. I'm gonna see y'all day two. Let's go, man. I think I had one too many drinks. We headed out.